been down this road, and I've never been to Monroe Falls Park. Look how shady. Oh my goodness. I just got done working in Monroe Falls, and the missus was telling me how beautiful it is out here. She said there's a lake and lots of shade, so I'm going to go out here and check it out. Want to come along? Yes, that's a crack in my windshield. That has to be addressed. But don't look at that. Look at the beautiful scenery. And here we are. Unless I was supposed to go down that way. We'll find out. I think we're going to be turning around. I'm going to check out, see what's after this curve. I'll tell you, since I've been semi-retired, I am really, really appreciating nature so much more. I'm going to take a quick tour. But look at the sky today. It's really hot, but God is good. Nature is amazing. This park is really nice. I'm not going to walk all the way over there. Like I said, it's just going to be quick. Got a little playground. Look at all the shade. We're going to have to come out here and do a picnic. And there's a shelter over there. Why am I pointing? You can see it. Shady shelter, and yes, it sure is. And then there's the lake. Oh gosh, that's a beautiful, beautiful picture, isn't it? So peaceful out here. And really, it's not too bad in the shade. There's even some barbecue cooker thingamajiggers. I'm going to walk down here. I don't see